Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search by author in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come to the top. This is the search bar. You can click on it or you can just go ahead and tap the / key on your keyboard just like this. And this would open up the search bar, okay, as you can see right here. Now what I want you to do is click here on advanced search, okay? Click on this, it's next to the magnifying glass. And then here you'll see different filters that you can go ahead and use. So we have this filter right here. It says edited or created by. So click on it. And then if you want to find a person, you can go ahead and type in their name. So you can see our name is right here. It is being suggested. So we'll click on this one to apply the filter. And let's just wait. And there you go. And that is how to search by author in Confluence.